Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. In today's video, we will learn how to make Christmas bell hangings for Christmas decoration. Please like and subscribe my channel. Scissors, white color fabric glitter paint, red color fabric glitter paint, half-inch width red silk ribbon, black color heart sheet, pen for marking, yellow, green, orange color felt sheets, hot glue gun, and gold color glitter powder or dust. Draw the desired pattern on thick paper to use as a stencil and cut it. Here we cut cherry shape, bell shape and leaf shape for this Christmas bell hangings. Now start marking the green felt sheet with leaf stencil. Now start marking the yellow felt sheet with bell stencil twice as shown.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Now cut it neatly as shown. Now start marking the orange color felt sheet with cherry stencil and cut as shown.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Cut the green felt sheet leaf which we marked.
Meant to be. In the great outdoors.
Now draw the border with red color glitter on bell-shaped felt sheet. Draw leaf lines on the green felt sheet with silver glitter. Now start attaching all the 4 pieces together as shown with hot glue gun.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here.
Sprinkle some gold color glitter on the bells and rub with fingers as shown.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Take half-inch width ribbon and mark it at every 7-inch distance. Then paste the bells on the marking with the help of hot glue gun.
Outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go.
Do the same till the end, and now our Christmas bell hanging is ready.
The truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.